Hello, my name is Paul Berger and I'm the lead software engineer for Lokbox, a brand new password management application for Android, written in TypeScript using Expo React Native. What makes Lokbox different from other password managers out there? You have control over all of your information. Lokbox does not use nor require an internet connection. All of your information is stored locally in an SQLite database on your device. Furthermore, your information is encrypted using the AES 256 encryption algorithm, with primary password hashing handled by bcrypt. If you lose your device, even if it falls into the wrong hands, you can rest assured that your private information will remain private. Next, Lokbox is currently free, open source software licensed under MIT. Many other password management applications charge you monthly fees to use their services, but that's not the case with Lokbox. Lokbox also provides standalone tools which make generating security credentials that much easier, like a cryptographically secure password and PIN generator. Let's spend a few minutes examining some of Lokbox's key features. The Add component. The Add component allows users to add new entries to their database. Simply enter your information and click Submit. Does your new account require a PIN or password? You can enter your desired password into the appropriate field, or click on the exclamation point button to have a cryptographically secure password automatically generated for you. Using your user password and a unique salt, the software derives an encryption key using the PBKDF2 algorithm, and then encrypts your sensitive data using AES 256 encryption before storing it in a local sandboxed SQLite database. Next, we have the check component. Using the check component, users can review all of their information in plain text on one scrollable screen. After clicking check, the user's information is automatically decrypted for display. If one wants to see how the information is stored on the device, simply click the visibility toggle on the bottom of the screen, and information will be displayed as ciphertext. The Remove component. To delete single or multiple database entries, simply click the Remove button. The user will be presented with a list of their database entries. Click on the entries which are no longer needed, and permanently delete them by clicking Delete. Once the user has deleted their entries, they can verify the deletion by using the Check tool. The Update component. As the name implies, the Update component allows users to select one of their database entries to make edits to it. This is useful for those accounts where passwords must be changed with some regularity. The Update screen toggles between the data prompt and the information which the user has already stored on the database. Simply click the field to edit it and update the entry. Database information is updated after the user clicks the Update button. Once again, we can use the Check component to verify our updates. Additional tools, PassGen and PinGen. The PassGen and PinGen components are standalone tools which allow the user to generate cryptographically secure passwords and PINs. For the sake of this demo, let's step through the PassGen tool. First, we can select the number of characters in our final password using the total characters slider. Next, we can select which character sets are used in the creation of the password. Finally, if we've chosen to include special characters, we can even define which ones will be used by clicking them on or off. To save your PassGen preferences for the next time you want to use the tool, including while adding a new entry to the database, click the Save button. To generate your new password, click Voila. As with encryption, Lokbox relies on the React Native Quick Crypto Library's random number generator to derive a random password given your desired constraints. Import and export. Next, we have import and export, which greatly increase the utility of the program. By clicking Export, the user can save an encrypted zip file containing a CSV of their private information to their Downloads folder. By opening the CSV on their computer, users can print their information or use the CSV as a template to add new information. Users should be cautious during this step, however. The most secure way to move the file from mobile to PC or vice versa is to copy the file to a USB or microSD card on the mobile device, and then from the USB or microSD card directly to the PC. While the zip file is encrypted, the encryption key is not as robust as the key used within the Lokbox database on the device. Transferring the file via email or cloud can expose the user's information unnecessarily. Finally, we have our import tool. As you may have guessed, this allows the user to import a zipped, password-protected CSV file and add the corresponding information to their Lokbox database. This feature can streamline migration from another password management application. In addition to the functionality discussed above, Lokbox has several other key features. Multi-user support means one can have multiple user accounts within the same implementation of Lokbox. A special admin menu allows the administrator of the device to remove user accounts and make backups of the entire database. All information remains encrypted. The administrator does not have access to plaintext user data. And finally, Lokbox has implemented quality of life additions, such as the ability to choose a custom background color. Here at Lokbox, we are continually working to improve our product. Lokbox is under active development. Currently, we are working to implement a search feature so that users can query their entire database for a specific entry. Further down the road, we hope to implement iOS compatibility and to deploy on the Google Play and the App Stores. If you'd like to try out Lokbox or learn more, head to github.com/pvburger/Lokbox. If you like our product, we'd love to hear from you. And if you have suggestions for improvement, we're all ears. Thanks for taking the time to check out Lokbox. Be safe out there.